ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 11-2 भवाप्ययौ हि भूतानां भवाप्ययौ हि भूतानां श्रुतौ विस्तरशो मया पदच्छेदे भव अप्ययौ हि भूतानां श्रुतौ विस्तरशः मया त्वत्तः कमलपत्राक्ष माहात्म्यम् अपि चाव्ययम् पदच्छेदे त्वत्तः कमलपत्र अक्ष माहात्म्यम् अपि च अव्ययम्। वाक्यांशः विश्लेषण। उद्देश्य विभागः विधेय विभागः। उद्देश्य विभागे कर्तृपदीयाः, विधेय विभागे कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः। कमलपत्राक्ष भवाप्ययौ मया त्वत्तः भूतानां विस्तरशः हि श्रुतौ अव्ययं महात्म्यं तव अपि च श्रुतं। श्रुतौ in one and shrutam in two have passive voice inherent. Hence bhavapyayu in one and avyayam mahatmyam in two are kartrupadiyaha. अव्ययशः शब्दाभ्यास। कमलपत्राक्ष कमलपत्राक्ष पुल्लिंगम संबोधनम एकवचनम। कमलस्य पत्रमिव अक्षिणी यस्य सः कमलपत्राक्षः। अक्षि नॉइटर अश्नुते विषयान् अक्षि अशेरणित अक्षिणी अक्षीणी अक्षणा अक्षणः। The eye which grasps or sees objects changed to aksha at the end of bahurihi compound. Feminine akshi when an organ of the body is indicated as a jalajakshi, otherwise dirghaksha venuyashtihi. In avibhav compound also it is changed to aksha, samaksham, paroksham, like that. मया त्वत्तः भूतानां भवाप्ययौ विस्तरशः श्रुतौ हि। मया अस्मत् सर्वनाम तृतीया एकवचनम। त्वत्तः युष्मत् सर्वनाम अत्र तसिल प्रत्ययेन पंचमी एकवचनम। भूतानां भूधातोः कृतविशेषणं भूत creation, everything, anything that is created, that is brought into existence. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम षष्ठी बहुवचनम। भवाप्ययौ भवाप्यय पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा द्विवचनम। भवः च अप्ययः च इति भवाप्ययौ इतरेतर द्वन्द्वः। भवः बीइंग, स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग, existence. सत्ता, existence. Other meanings are also. Apyaya, approaching, meeting, joining, juncture, pouring out of rivers, entrance into, vanishing, disappearance, absorption, dissolution into oneself, distraction itself. Vistarashaha, vistara plus shas. Vistaraha, extension, expansion, minute details, detailed description, minute particulars. In detail, vistarashaha, vistarena, vistarataha, vistarashaha. In detail, at length, fully, with minute details, with full particulars. Vistarena Atmayogam Vibhutincha Janardana Bhuyakatha. This was in Bhagavad Gita 10-18. Shrutau, Shrudhatoh Ukta Visheshan, Shruta, listen to. Atra Pullingam Prathamadvivachanam. He avyayam, also because. Api chatav avyayam mahatmyam shrutam. Api avyayam, also certainly. Cha avyayam, and tava युष्मत् सर्वनाम अत्र षष्ठी एकवचनम। अव्ययम अव्यय विशेषणम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम। न व्ययः यस्य सः अव्ययः, न व्ययः यस्य तत् अव्ययम्। नय बहुरी व्ययः वि प्लस अयः अर्थस्य अपगमः नाशः। अव्ययः और अव्ययम not liable to change, immutable. imperishable. Mahatmyam, Mahatmya, greatness. Napusakalingam, Prathama Ekvachanam. Shrutam, Shru dhatoh ukta visheshanam, Shruta, listen to. Atra Napusakalingam, Prathama Ekvachanam. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Kamalapatraksha, a you with eyes like leaves of lotus. Maya त्वत्तः भूतानां भवाप्ययो विस्तरशः श्रुतौ हि. I have been blessed to learn from you in great detail the emanation and extinction of beings. Api cha tava avyayam mahatmyam shrutam. I have been also blessed to learn from you of the undiminishing greatness of yours. Chando Vishleshana. Bhavapyayo hi bhutanam ashakshani hi bhuta एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे श्रुतौ विस्तरशो मया अष्टक्षाणि रशोम एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका त्वत्तकमलपत्राक्ष अष्टक्षाणि लपत्रा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे माहात्म्यम् अपि चाव्ययम् अष्टक्षाणि पिचाव्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् एकादशे अध्याये द्वितीये श्लोके अनुष्टुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः notes of such study. It comes to mind that the address Kamalapatraksha is not just a eulogy of the beauty of or curvaceousness of eyes of Sri Krishna Bhagavan. The reference to his eyes also connotes eulogy of vision of Sri Krishna Bhagavan. The vision is a spread like the leaf of a lotus. It spreads across the universe. Mayadhyakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam. Yet it does not get anointed. It stays aloof, just as the leaf of the lotus does not get anointed by the water on which it floats. In the previous shloka, Arjuna acknowledged the spiritual knowledge, Adhyatma Samdhitam Guhyam, delineated by Sri Krishna Bhagavan. Here he acknowledges having learnt of Bhutanam Bhavapyayo, the emanation and extinction of beings. This mention of Bhutanam Bhavapyayo, the emanation and extinction of beings, brings to mind beings such as dinosaurs, which are said to have treated the earth in the Mesozoic era, 252 to 66 million years ago, often called the age of dinosaurs. The Mesozoic era is divided into three time periods: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. In Indian counting of time, a cycle of 4 yugas has Kali Yuga 432,000 years, current one being from the 13th February 3102 BC. I do not know who had decided that day. Dwapara Yuga 864,000 years. Treta Yuga 1,296,000 years. Kruta Yuga or Satya Yuga 1,728,000 years. A total of 4,320,000 years makes one Manvantaram, which is supposed to be presided over by one of the 14 Manus in the order Swayambhuva, Swarochesha, Auttami, Tamasa, Raivata, Chakshusha, Vaivasvata, Savarani, Daksha Savarani, Brahma Savarani, Dharma Savarani, Rudra Savarani, Rauchadaiva Savarani, and 14th Indra Savarani. We are at present living in the 7th, that is in Vaivasvata Manvantaram. Period of time larger than Manvantaram is called as Kalpaha. Presently we live in Sri Shvetavaraha Kalpaha. Sri Krishna Bhagavan saying Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavanaham Avyam 4-1 say at the beginning of Vaivasvata Manvantaram endorses Avyayam Mahatmyam of Sri Krishna Bhagavan. Shubhamastu.